TurboTax, How to Use Tax Calculator and Refund Estimator Tool, 2024-25, at HNR Block. Here's a detailed guide on how to use the Tax Calculator and Refund Estimator Tool, 2024-25, at HNR Block. 1. Access the tool, visit the HNR Block website, go to the HNR Block Tax Calculator page, https://www.hrblock.com/tax-calculator. Start the calculator, click on the Calculate My Refund button to begin. 2. Answer simple questions, personal information, enter your basic details, such as age, filing status, example single, married filing jointly, and whether someone can claim you as a dependent. Income information, provide information about your income, including wages, salaries, tips, and other income sources like self-employment income, interest, dividends, rental income, or unemployment benefits. Adjustments to income, enter any adjustments, such as contributions to retirement accounts, student loan interest payments, or educator expenses. 3. Estimate your credits and deductions, standard or itemized deductions, choose whether to take the standard deduction or itemize your deductions, such as mortgage interest, property taxes, or charitable contributions. The calculator will provide estimates for some common deductions. Tax credits, enter any tax credits you qualify for, such as the child tax credit, earned income tax credit, education credits, or energy saving credits. 4. Enter your tax withholding amount, federal and state taxes withheld, input the amount of federal and state taxes withheld from your paychecks throughout the year. You can find this information on your W-2 forms. Estimated tax payments, if you're self-employed or have additional income sources that aren't subject to withholding, include any estimated tax payments you made during the year. 5. Review your results, taxable income, the calculator will show your taxable income after deductions. Estimated tax refund or liability, based on your input, the calculator will estimate your tax refund or the amount you might owe the IRS. Additional tips, accuracy, for the most accurate results, have your tax documents handy when using the calculator. Updates, the calculator is updated for the 2024-25 tax year, ensuring you get the latest information. By following these steps, you can easily estimate your tax refund or liability using HNR Block's Tax Calculator and Refund Estimator tool.